During electroosmosis, ferric hydroxide sol. Sol particles move towards anode. Sol particles move towards cathode. Medium moves towards anode. Sol particles do not move in either direction. Now, we know that in electrophoresis, if you see in electrophoresis, Sol particles move, means colloidal particles moving in electrophoresis. Sol particles are allowed to move. Now, when you see electroosmosis, electroosmosis, Sol particles are not allowed to move. Not allowed to move. Are not allowed to move. Sol particles. And here, the ferric hydroxide sol is positively charged. Therefore, we know that medium has a negative charge, because there must be opposite charge. Medium has a negative charge. So, when you are not allowing particles to move in electroosmosis, then medium starts moving. So, since in electroosmosis, particles are not allowed to move. Medium starts moving. Medium starts moving in opposite direction. That is medium moves towards anode. So, medium is moving towards anode, whereas particles are not allowed to move. And medium moves towards anode. That implies options are medium moves towards anode and particles are not allowed to move in either direction. So, C and D is the answer.